All right, in Sam's Club right now, doing a quick evaluation of what's coming down the pipeline. It's LG fridge, pretty big on the inside. Looks nice. I mean, I know a little bit about fridges. I'm more of a washer dryer guy, but some of y'all gurus let us know. Got a linear inverter. Or inverter linear, whatever. And it's got this nice little compartment, which is awesome for kids that like to leave the doors open on these things. You have their own little mini fridge on the fridge. So I like that. By LG. About $17.95. Oven. Gas oven. We got an LG washer with the little pedestal washer, and my only concern with these is mildew and moisture, because like, where's the water go that drips down here? So I mean, it sort of has its uses. The inside design is pretty similar to what they've been making. And really, we got better design here as far as drainage to fight mildew and mold. 10-year warranty, don't let that fool you. That's on the direct drive motor, which very rarely is replaced. But good design, standard. They kept it simple. No problem. Now we're down to the Samsung section here. Pretty standard fridge, man. They've been out for a while. Lots of room. So not rocket science there. You fix one, you fix them all when it comes to that design. And there's ovens now. With the oven, this one has a self-clean feature. Now I'm not a fan of the self-clean feature because how it wears out your element and fuses. But ovens with self-clean are awesome because self-clean ovens have more heavier installation than a regular oven. And so what that means for you is more of the heat will stay inside the oven, so they're more temperature efficient. And let's check out this Samsung washer, new design. Looks nice, sleek. It's hilarious though how, so I guess maybe their focus groups, people said they want to be able to wash more clothes. And so this big old door gives you an illusion of a huge tub. And it's still a big tub, but it's still a standard size. But it's funny, they designed this like oversized door to give you the impression that it's just a huge tub. And I'm a fan of not having huge tubs because usually that puts a lot of strain on the spider bearings, but everything looks good. And you got another standard Samsung washer. And with these, you got a lot of people complain that they don't like the low profile Impaler because it doesn't clean the clothes real good. But what you have to do is ball your clothes up and not just dump them in there. When you have a low profile Impaler, if you ball them up, then the friction the clothes create on each other actually cleans the clothes better because you have no, you don't have a standard agitator. So my overall assessment is, we're pretty much looking at the same things that we were used to fixing. A couple design changes, but continuing education is important. So right here, look at this Samsung set too. Only thing with these dryers, they usually had the belt tensioner issues, and I'm sure this one has a corrected one with the actual bearing on it. So not bad. This was coming down the line, but all right. So that was our quick stop in the Sam's Club to get some stuff for somebody's birthday. Mr. Queen. So anyway, yeah, we stopped in, and I like to always check out the newer models that's coming down the pipeline. You should do the same when you're out and about. Just pop in like Home Depot, Sam's Club, wherever they sell new machines, and check out what's coming down the pipeline so you're prepared when you get that service call. And always, there's plenty of different places to get educated. One of the best programs out there is Encompass Supply Chain Solutions virtual training. Link is in the description below. Very, very inexpensive and very, very detailed. I like to call it the Harvard of appliance training. So check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.